considered using an alternative fuel gas to acetylene, but unsure if it's going to work? Have you considered using Oxy LPG as an option? With LPG, you can cut, braze and heat effectively and efficiently. The benefits of using LPG as an alternative fuel gas is that it's going to save you money. The initial outlay is the Oxy LPG Kit. You can purchase this in two different ways, one with flashback arresters and the other without. Some states it's mandatory to have flashback arresters. At Dynaweld, we strongly recommend you use flashback arresters. The kit contents of the Oxy LPG Kit include a cutting attachment and blowpipe, heating tip, a few brazing tips, blowpipe mounted flashback arresters, regulator mounted flashback arresters. We have a mixer, tip cleaners and a few cutting nozzles. Now the cutting nozzles are a two-piece cutting nozzle. That's to allow larger volumes of gas to go through. We've also got a 10 metre hose set, oxy goggles, flint lighter and spanner, LPG regulator and an oxy regulator. Now what we're going to do is set this up and do some cutting. So what we've done is we've set up the kit. We've got the oxy regulator on the oxy bottle, the LPG regulator on the LPG bottle. You can see the flashback arresters on both ends. We've got the blowpipe and the cutting attachment. All connections are nice and tight, and we're also using the optional tangent roller guide. We've preset our gas flows to the right flows, and now we're ready to cut. Now what we're going to do is light it up. Now we need to turn the fuel on. With LPG we need to add a little bit of oxy in to make it easy to light. It's a nice neutral flame. Put a preheat. And that's how easy it is to use the LPG and cut 32mm plate.